everyone, are you doing this exercise for your low back pain? And maybe you're noticing during the exercise or afterwards that you're feeling pain here, or maybe even here. Well, we're going to go over how to modify this exercise today so that's actually more beneficial for you, should not hurt during, and should actually give you some lasting effects afterwards. My name is Dawn, this is Sebastian. We are both parts of the locally world famous chiropractors here in Costa Mesa, and we're gonna get right into it. Sebastian's gonna take me through this cat-cow exercise and how to make it better.
Yep, so go ahead and set up into a standard cat-cow. And let's back up a little bit here and go this right there, perfect. All right, let's see that cat-cow. By the way, which one is the cat, which one's the cow?
This is angry cat.
That's the angry cat.
And this is cow.
Okay. I feel like the cow's head is usually down though. Okay, so let's just say then this is not a problem. In that case, do it. If it is troublesome going up or down, let's just say Don's having a problem at the very top here, let's just go to the point where just prior to where it bothers you and explore the entire range that's pain-free. And so let's just say my hand represents the spot where it starts to bother her. She's going to tap on it and return away from it. And so I like to consider this kind of like milking the spine. And you're just kind of milking the range, which is really not problematic. And let's just say she has a problem with the bottom range now and the top is clean. And so, ow, 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 let's come on back up. And then so my hand represents now the range that's painful. And so she's just going to stay out of it. I know it's a very simple way of looking at the solution, but really pain is your guide and it tells you what's right and wrong. So we're just going to stay out of it. What do you think, Dawn?
Absolutely. So I think sometimes people have the idea that like, ooh, I should go into that painful spot because that's where I'm feeling it and I think I'm doing it right because now I'm creating the issue, which altogether we realize in here that that's not actually the solution. Not no pain, no gain. We want you to move within the range that you feel good. Sometimes we may notice with the low back that extension is actually creating your problem, so why would we go into a cat-cow? We want you to stay neutral to flexion, or vice versa. Up here is really painful for you. Why would we do it? So we want you to stay from extension to neutral. So we want you to play with which direction works best for you. And if you guys want to know a little bit more about your low back or other things that you can do, try maybe something a little more challenging than this because this just isn't working well for you, there's a learning resource somewhere that will pop up on the video. Just click on it, take advantage. We made it there for a reason. Again, it's educational and things that you can try.
Yeah, and so the cat-cow is, I know that a lot of people end up having, they kind of search for that top range because they're like, oh, it feels really stretchy there. Personally, I've noted that the stretch is actually a protective mechanism for most people. And if you have the spine in the middle, like all the little bony bone spots, and then you have the muscles on the side, if it feels like the muscles are stretching, that should be interpreted probably as the pain zone too. If it's the stuff in the center that's not stabbing, it just feels stiff, it's okay to go through stiffness most of the time, but usually that's centrally located right around the bony bones, not the muscles. So that's just my experience with cat-cows.
Yeah, absolutely. And if you want help taking yourselves through, or someone help guide you through this, or find a better exercise for you, we do work with people virtually that you can reach out and let us know that that's something you're interested in. You can come see us in person as well. We are in Costa Mesa, California. All of our contact is below. Email is always best. Take advantage of that. YouTube channel's there for you too. Type in low back pain. Take advantage of the sources. See you guys later.